What has the biggest impact on law firm value that you can do over time to really build law firm value? One thing: delegation, right? And when I say delegation, I mean delegating what you do. If you are the owner, the operator, the biller, everything else, you need to work on delegating that to others or to systems that you use within your firm, right? So that your role can be truly defined within your firm and it can be replaceable. So delegation should lead to you actually being replaceable. And why that's the biggest factor to increase the value of your firm, right, is because a buyer then can see defined role, a business that runs. It's a law firm that is a business that runs, that you're the owner of, you enjoy the financial benefits of, but it doesn't require you to do everything. And that's a challenge for most lawyers because we like to do stuff, right? We can handle different things. But if you're processing payroll, if you're doing this, right, if you're the reviewer of everything, think about simple systems or more complex systems that you can build to really invest in your business model. The systems are what can dictate success going forward, and a buyer will see that, right? And that can really move your multiple. Now, at the end of the day, higher revenues, higher earnings, meaning the benefit that you as an owner enjoy, right? The net income and everything else are always going to move you to a higher number, right? But how that multiple, that market value is really applied to those numbers, the more you can invest in a systematic approach for your business model, the higher that value would be. Start simple if you need to, start small, but then overall invest in it, document it so you can tell your story to potential buyers and get that higher value. Tom Lenfestey with the Law Practice Exchange. Give us a follow or a like and join us for talking about buying, selling, and valuing law firms. Thanks so much.